I have this 9-volt DC wall adapter that suddenly stopped working. Electroharmonics, 9.6 volts, 200 milliamps out, center negative. So it was working 1 minute and then there's no voltage on the output and there's no obvious short circuits or anything. So the benefit is it's got screws. I can try to take it apart and see if I can fix it. Often there's no way to take these apart and you have to start prying in and hope you can open it without damage. So I'm going to see what's in here and if it's fixable. I'm going to have to figure out if this can all come out in one piece. We got the AC input wires going a short distance to this transformer, and it looks like we have a linear voltage regulator, diodes, and filter capacitors. It's all kind of loose and pivoting on the transformer area. Yeah, just a little sticky foam tape. It had to be pried out. So on the secondary of the transformer, the circuit board is just directly connected to those transformer wires. It's just hanging there. There are 4 diodes for the bridge rectifier, little ceramic capacitor, a resistor, and it is a 7809 9-volt DC regulator, and just those couple of components to make a basic voltage regulator. From what I can see, I'm not really seeing anything like bulging electrolytic capacitors, so I wonder if I can find a short circuit somewhere, either diodes or the voltage regulator. The regulator pins on the bottom of the board should be input voltage, ground, and output. Input to ground is almost 1K. Input to output jumps around between several K, several hundred K. And output to ground, same thing, several K or more. So there's no dead short on the regulator. Across the transformer secondary, we have 3 ohms. I'm seeing an open circuit across the transformer AC input primary. And after a while, it looks to me like there's something wrong here. I don't see any open connections or bad connections. I took it off of the DC regulator board to be able to look at it better. So maybe this thing just burnt itself out and a connection opened inside the primary. There's no easy way to get at that, and I don't think I would want to trust it. So I may have to just do away with this. And I can't find any opens or short circuits on any of the semiconductors of the 9-volt DC part. The capacitors look okay. So that's a perfectly good 9-point-something volt DC supply. I'm going to start making connections. I put these 2 pink wires on the incoming AC. I just need maybe a couple of volts more than 9 to be able to regulate down to 9. So here's an AC transformer and power cord, and I put wires. It's got a center tap as well. I always use this for small experiments with AC. So we got around 12.5 volts end to end, or half of that, 6.2, to the center tap. If I connect this AC transformer to this 9-volt regulator, and being a guitar power supply, it's center negative, and there's the 9.8 volts DC that I'm used to seeing on this. I'll cut the power for safety now. So that's a perfectly good DC 9 volts. I can maybe make a decision. Maybe I can take a transformer similar to the original and still put it all back together in this original adapter enclosure, or just make my own enclosure and hook something up. But at least I got to do a partial salvage on this power supply.